how to check your login activity on your Snapchat. Let's begin. First of all, you'll have to open your Snapchat and then click on your profile at the top left. Once you click on your profile, at the very top right, you can see this wheel icon. You can click on it to open settings. Once your settings is open, you can just scroll down at the very bottom where you can see the saved login info right above my data and below blocked users. So you just open this saved login info. As you can see, my account has been logged into two devices right here. The first one is this device that I'm using right now, and the second one is Samsung Galaxy M21. So if I want to log out from the second device that I don't currently have, I'm just going to click on it, this red button right here, and then it's asking for the deletion of the account. So if I click on yes, this will automatically log out from the second device that was logged in. And this is how you can check your saved login info on Snapchat. Thank you for watching.